What is up, guys? We are in like standstill traffic. Got Matthew behind me. On the way to OSW. Weather's looking a little rough. That means we gained some horsepower and have unlimited tires. I still brought way too many tires, but it's better to have too many tires than too little tires. So yeah, let's hope I don't get completely soaked, because yeah, oh boy, coming on to I-4 right now, this is gonna be a complete show. It already is when it's dry out, but when it rains, it's 10 times worse. So let's hope we can make the driver's meeting on time, because this traffic's about to get real.
All right,
let's get it. Oh, it's actually kind of dry. So much different driving the oval in the wet. I mean, it's nice that you don't have to commit, but it's also not as fun, because like it's not as scary as seems. That was a good little feeler though, I think. These tires are decent. They were rubbing the entire time, but it is what it is. Brandon's back finally. Last time he had some interesting things happen. He broke his transmission and got a little crunchy, but things back better than ever, so we're gonna get some driving in today. It's so exciting to finally drive with Brandon again. He's got 285 accelerators on though, so he's probably gonna gap me, but it'll be okay. that drone. Kind of messed up that transition. I was too focused on getting up on Mateo. That was sick though. I saw that. I don't know. When you were going, I was like, what the hell is wrong with the exhaust? Yeah, I lost the clamp. Damn. Stopped raining for a bit, but now that it's our session, it's raining again. But I like raining. It's a lot slower, so it's not as exciting, but it's still fun to drive. You got to get practice in both conditions. So much fun. Sick lead, Mateo. You killed that. We're getting hot laps tonight. Let's go. That run a little sketchy, not gonna lie. much. Unlimited tire. Everyone's just stacked up. This is sick. Jesus. The little off-roading right there. That was a little sus. I think they made some contact. Hopefully they can get it all sorted out. Yo, are you guys good?
No, I broke an arm.
You think you're gonna be able to get one?
I just gotta go eat, bake it up in me, kinda.
Is your car okay?
Yeah. It's just beat up again. I was going right behind you, and then I hit the bad spot, and it's been.
Oh, it's okay.
No, it's not. It sucks.
Yeah, it does suck, but.
Well, it will start raining more, and it like went from like being okay to like super slick on the end. Didn't expect that.
I'm gonna run
because I was holding it to catch up on you.
See you guys. Good luck. Because of the rain, they're all too scared to drive in the rain, so we got hot laps after hot laps now. Bunch of mud in my eyes on that one. Gotta get her home. That is that man's control arm. You're still gonna drive.
I'm still gonna drive, yeah, I fully intend to. I gotta drive home, so.
Might as well test it.
I don't know, it doesn't really like this going much. It's better than nothing, honestly. I can still adjust it with the tar, so I can probably get away with that.
Dude, I'm surprised there's no damage on the car. There's really like no body damage.
No, I mean,
it looks fine. It's good.
Yeah, my daughter's out
Oh yeah, your door got a little
oh my god.
sauced.
This is
Yeah, nothing, dude. Really.
this thing thinks I'm meeting.
Dude.
For sure. Oh my god.
Poor George. Hey, at least it didn't break your window.
Oh no, it's good. I mean, I need the new door thing again.
And a new side skirt.
No,
and a new front.
Side skirt's fine.
Is it?
Yeah, just a little facing. Good job.
Poor poor car, dude. This side is just like cursed.
This side is.
It always is this side.
This side is cursed.
Minus a headlight, fender, door, and that was already there.
No, actually, this was from the last weekend.
Oh yeah, it was. Yeah.
This is from today, and
This is also from today.
oh yeah, that's from today. We got big tires. Hell yeah.
whatever works.
This side, it never been touched.
And then there's this side. Just,
This thing was never. Oh, I don't count that.
don't talk about that.
That's a tire mark. I don't count that.
Getting some tandems in with Matthew. Let's go. Such a great event, dude. Hot laps after hot laps. Mateo got his car fixed too. Another close one. Oh, that was scary. Looks like we all made it out alive though. We all made it alive somehow. Everyone drove here to the drift event. 5-car tandems all day basically.
Get some beating. Barely.
Mateo's car somehow made it. That's crazy.
With a lot of
George's car made it too. We won't look at the other side.
No, don't look at
And now it's time to eat some steak and shake.